If you care about protecting your heart and supporting your skin naturally, please watch this carefully. Today, we're talking about one of the most popular and colorful fruits in the world. Strawberries, often seen as a sweet treat, but they offer far more than just flavor. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune balance and helps the body produce collagen. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and a healthy, youthful appearance. But the benefits of strawberries go deeper. They contain anthocyanins, natural plant compounds responsible for their bright red color. Anthocyanins are known for their antioxidant properties, helping protect cells from oxidative stress. Over time, this cellular protection plays a role in supporting long-term health. Strawberries may also support heart health. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of berries is associated with improved cholesterol balance and healthier blood vessel function. Strawberries are also relatively low in sugar compared to many other sweet fruits, while still providing natural sweetness. Their fiber content helps slow digestion, which contributes to more stable blood sugar levels. This combination makes strawberries a smart choice for those who want something sweet, without sharp energy spikes. Another quiet benefit of strawberries is their support for hydration. Because they contain a high percentage of water, they contribute to daily fluid intake, while providing essential nutrients. The key is freshness. Fresh or minimally processed strawberries retain the highest levels of beneficial compounds. Strawberries are not a miracle cure. They do not replace medical care, but their strength lies in consistency. A small bowl a few times per week can become a simple and enjoyable habit. Sometimes, the most vibrant fruits offer the strongest natural protection. If you found this explanation helpful, and you enjoy calm, science-based discussions about everyday nutrition, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you liked this video, a simple like helps more people discover reliable and balanced health information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.